First step, just flick this bad boy on. Next, you're going to want to make sure the computer monitor is on. Next, you're just going to open the software right on the computer here. So we're running into a slight problem here. Don't be afraid. Just gonna have to exit out. Maybe start the process over again. I'm gonna turn the computer off. And go. So to fix that problem, we just restarted it a few times, tried opening and closing software. Eventually, it'll pull up. You want 3 tabs right there. We got the 3 tabs. You're going to want to click the sessile drop there. That's going to bring you into the right place. So next we're going to want to flush the system. To do this, you're going to grab your flush water, put it underneath the needle here. The needle can just detach like that. First, you're going to put the needle in the water, right? And you're going to click fill. And then it's going to withdraw the water for you. And then you can click dispense right next to fill right here. And that's going to push the water back out. You're going to do this 3 times. So once you've flushed the system here, you're going to want to do the exact same thing. Fill the needle and the syringe back up, but with the water that you want to do your experiment with. You're then going to want to get rid of all the air bubbles that are in the tubing between the syringe and the needle. To do that, you're just going to hit dispense once more and let it run for a few drops. Alright, then you're going to want to just adjust the needle and the stage here. So the needle is just at the top of the camera view, and the stage you get through, but then have the wafer just right at the bottom of the screen there. Like that. So once you're at this point, you're going to want to calibrate the needle. So you're going to click calibrate. You want use calibration needle, and I know that it is 2.116 micrometers. Sweet. Next, you're going to want to do adjust the camera parameters here. I like to keep it at an exposure of 1749, a gain of 380, gamma right around 8,000, and max light intensity. So we got all that. On the right side here under recipe, you are going to adjust the drop out size. We were setting it to 25. Right there, that's 25 microliters. So we're hitting drop out. It's going to stop at your desired dropout size. I ended up changing it to 20. And then the next thing we're going to do is bring the needle with the drop there down to the silicone wafer. Alright, so using this little knob right up here, I'm going to bring the droplet down to the wafer. It's going to get off the needle there, and then you're going to start to have some measurements. If you want to name your measurement, you just go to experiment name under recipe here, name that M, and then we're going to go to controls followed by record. After about 5 seconds, hit stop. Then you're going to go up to analysis in the upper left hand corner, go all the way down. You see M is right here. Double click. You want to analyze right away, yes. Now you're going to have 2 average contact angles for both sides of your droplet. Those are going to be what you want to record, and you can save all this data here. Don't forget to record everything in your lab notebook nice and neatly with units.